powerful tropical cyclone is battering Vanuatu. It is one of the strongest storms the South Pacific has seen in years, and the strongest to make landfall since Super Typhoon Haiyan hit the Philippines in 2013. Jennifer Gray is monitoring the storm and joins us now with details. How badly are those islands getting hit?
Well, they're getting hit very, very bad. This is about as big as these storms come, and so we are going to expect devastation across the island chain. It is continuing to head to the south, and this is basically a worst-case scenario because the eye of this cyclone has basically just split the island chain right down the middle, and so a lot of the more populated islands have been hit head on with a direct hit from Tropical Cyclone Pam. So it impacted Port Vila earlier today and now is just on the western side of Isengel, and it is continuing to head down to the south. It has weakened just a little bit. It hit Port Vila as a Category 5 storm, what is equivalent to that, and it's hitting Isengel right now. What is equivalent to about a Category 4, but very, very strong Category 4. Right now, packing winds of about 250 kilometers per hour with wind gusts of 305 kilometers per hour, and it is moving to the south at about 26 kilometers per hour. So as it continues to pull away from the island chain, it will continue to weaken. We are looking at 12 hours out. We are going to see winds of about 220 kilometers per hour. So it is weakening, but albeit very, very slowly. A lot of these islands, they are densely populated. For the size, they're very, very small, but none of the structures are cyclone-proof, at least for the village of Isengel, which has about 1,200 people. A lot of the folks in these islands have been heading to churches, schools, also a couple of hotels. Those are the sturdiest buildings in the islands. So showing you this picture, this is showing the intense winds. We're also looking at very intense rainfall. We've been watching the possibility of mudslides. We are going to see the strongest winds, the heaviest rain right around that eye wall. This is currently, and you can see they are experiencing the worst of it right now for the next couple of hours. And then Isengel, as it continues to pull away, conditions will improve. But between now and, say, 3 hours from now, that is going to be the brunt of the storm before it starts to pull away. Of course, winds, like we said, 130 kilometers per hour with wind gusts of about 167 kilometers per hour. After 3 to 4 hours from now, John, conditions will improve, and then we'll have to see what kind of devastation is left behind.